guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the experience I have on this platform called Rectify. Okay, make sure you watch this video. I'm going to be sharing my experience step by step till the day I started this platform till the time I withdraw. Everything is going to contain on this video. Make sure you watch this video to know if you can try it out or not. Okay, I'm going to make sure I like from the first day that I downloaded this application, I'm going to make sure I document everything down. Okay, stay to the end. I have been seeing hype all over social media. Rectify pay my bill, rectify pay my bill. Say to give this app a try to know if it's worth the hype. Okay, disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not sponsored by the app developer. This video is not a dance. It's what I do, is what I share on my channel. Anytime you see me post app, is what I do, is what I shared. I share what works for me and what doesn't work for me on this end with this channel. Okay, I am not sponsored by anybody. Okay, anytime you watch my video, make sure you do your own research very well before investing your time or investing your money in any app or any app I introduce on my platform. Okay, because it's what I do, is what I shared. Okay, now I'm going to be sharing my experience encounter on this Rectify app. That is a trading that you review Google and get paid. Okay, I decided to give it a try. I have been working in different app, but this app that saying people to pay, I don't really love that. Now you can see that I have 1,750 on platform, and this is my OPay. Before you sign up, they're going to ask you to put your OPay. I put my OPay. Now you are going to see that I will not be able to withdraw till I upgrade. Okay, right now you can see beginner, 2 pet, okay, 2 PTS, okay, and you can say 1,000. I decided to buy this 1,000 to upgrade, okay, as a beginner, to test it out to know if it is real. Now, so I just buy you. I just go to my OPay and recharge, and I'm going to be putting the screenshot here. And the payment confirmed, and you know that I didn't receive anything like receive successful. I didn't receive something like, if something is confirmed, you notice that they will tell you process successful. I didn't receive anything, and this is the account number that I put. I'm going to be I'm going to be covering it for security, but I'm going to leave the last digit. Okay, I'm going to be covering the full account number because of community guidelines. It's not good to expose account number on the public. Okay, so I'm going to be closing the account number. Okay, so this is the how much I paid on the app. I wait in order for me to receive confirmation that I have paid. I didn't receive anything. Guys, this is terrible experience, and I'm actually recording this video on Saturday. And by grace of God, I want to, like, by tomorrow is Sunday, and I want to know if this app can actually get back to me. If they didn't get back to me, I'm actually going to be uploading this video on Monday or Tuesday. Eventually, if I didn't get any report, I'm going to be continuing this video. Right now, you're going to see I've paid 1,000 naira and I did not receive anything like confirmation. You see the reason why I don't like putting myself in all this pay. I don't like putting myself into. Okay, right now you're going to see that I keep on waiting. It's the same account number is what I copied, put on my OPay and transfer the money, and I didn't receive anything. I keep like payment receive. I was like, okay, is it my network is not, is it because my network is not okay? Is it because my network is not okay? I started to cut my record again. Maybe if my network is not okay, I switch to mobile network to know if it's my Wi-Fi is cutting it. And it happened that I didn't see anything. Okay, I was like, okay, maybe my mobile money, maybe my this thing, maybe my data is finished. I said, okay, let me just go to my mobile bank here in Togo and recharge data to know what is happening. Nothing happened. I contact the customer service, no respond. I send them the screenshots of what I paid. I'm going to be continuing this video on Tuesday, okay? Keep on. This is another clips on Sunday morning. I just to wake up. I said to pick my phone and know if this app has get back to me. And like I said in the first clips, okay? So I noticed that they have already activated the one that I'm complaining that they didn't respond to my messages. I noticed that they have activated the beginner upgrade that I did with 1000 naira. Okay, you can see that I have 1950 right now on my. Okay, now you can see that I have done with checking in today. You can see that beginner, as you can see, achieved. Okay, they have already activated it. Okay, which they are telling me that I'm gonna be reviewing review. I can see 5 reviews up to 150. Okay, like if I done one tax, I'm gonna be receiving 150 because I have upgraded. Okay, but right now I tried to withdraw, but I noticed it is not going. Okay, so because I didn't invite people much, for people that is on my community, notice that I just uploaded the link about this app once, but I just want to know if you can withdraw so that you can give me any feedback. But I have not seen anyone that downloaded this particular app in my community that actually gave me feedback. But also, okay, let me just upgrade by myself to test it out to show you guys what I experienced, on this new platform. Okay, I wanted to upload this video on Tuesday, but at the start now, because I'm trying to know if I will withdraw for me to combine this particular video to post. I think I'm gonna wait because they're telling me that I should wait till every first or 15th of every month. That is where I'm gonna be withdrawing. Okay, I'm gonna wait till 1st August. Okay, I'm going to try to withdraw. If I didn't withdraw, I'm going to be putting everything together. Keep on watching this video. This video is going to be very helpful for you. If I withdraw, you're going to see it on this video. If I did not withdraw, you're going to be seeing it right now. You can see that general withdrawal, as you can see, full balance open for a 1st and 5th of every month. As you can see, minimum you can withdraw here is actually 1000 naira to 300,000 naira every 1st or 5th of every month. Okay, I want you to keep on watching these clips. Okay, let's wake up on the Monday morning. I to pick my Mac to record this particular clips. Okay, so you can see that I have 1950 now on my balance, and you can see my check-in is now 300 for today. Okay, for today, this is Monday, and I received 300 for today. Okay, so which I'm going to be receiving right now. Okay, I'm going to be making sure I record this video clips by clips. I'm not going to be sugarcoating anything at all. As you can see, I've received the 300 for today. You can see my money has already entered 2,250 now on my wallet. Okay, you can see trust score is actually 20. As you can see, I've done with my check-in today. Okay, so right now you're going to be seeing that upgrade again, which I'm not going to be upgrading anything for now till I withdraw the one that is on my balance. Okay, I'm not going to be upgrading anything right now. Let me just cash out the one that I have already invested before. Okay, so this is not a laughing matter. Okay, so right now let me just show you guys something. The last clips you guys are going to be seeing is when I'm going to be withdrawing, when I'm going to be trying to know if I will withdraw on this particular app. Okay, you are going to be seeing whether I withdraw on this particular app or not, because I'm going to be uploading this video on 2nd or 1st of August. Okay, to show you whether I withdraw my money here or not. Stay tuned. Make sure you keep on watching these clips. Bye. This is the day I've been waiting for to share with you how I withdraw from this particular app. This is actually 1st August 2026, and I decided to try it out to know if I can actually withdraw. Okay, I just go to my app to open it to know if I can withdraw. Okay, so right now I'm on the app. I'm still waiting for the app to open for me to proceed with my withdrawal. Okay, so now the app has opened. As you can see, I have 4,300 because I check in today. Okay, so as you can see, come back tomorrow. Okay, so right now you are going to see 4,300 naira. You can see in my balance. Okay, which I'm going to be clicking on whether today is actually 1st of August, and I say that, oh, I'm not going to be meeting today. I don't want to miss today. Okay, so right now I've clicked on my withdrawal method. As you can see, I've already put my OPay account. Okay, so I'm going to be covering my OPay account here for security reason. As you can see, general withdraw, they say that you can withdraw from 1,000 to 300,000. So I have 4,300. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on the withdrawal, as you can see on my screen. So I have placed a withdrawal right now. Okay, let's just wait until it's finished, because I think after it's finished, you're not going to be seeing that 4,300. That's my main balance. I don't have any referral. Okay, I just decided to try this app to myself to know if it can actually work for me. As you can see, withdrawal request sent successfully. Okay, that means my withdrawal is actually in progress. Let me just wait. As you can see, 1st of August 2026. Okay, so you can see everything is there. Okay, so I decided to document everything here to show you guys my journey. I said that I'm going to be posting my experience I had with this particular app on like that is a last one. So okay, let me just wait till August. If I withdraw, then I'm going to be showing you guys complete video so that it's not be like, oh, maybe I'm joking or maybe I'm lying. Okay, I decided to make everything very transparent on this particular video. As you can see, when I come back, that 4,300 is no more there. So I decided to come back later to, as you can see, I on my camera. As you can see, withdrawal need a boost. Your trust score didn't meet the requirement for general withdrawal. Boost your trust with 2,000 naira to prove your withdrawal of 4,300. Guys, oh guys, I was like, what? Okay, so I decided to post this video. If you have withdrawn before from this app and your own did like this, that you need a withdrawal needs to boost like your trust score before they will approve your withdrawal. I want you to comment on the comment section below because this is actually my first time trying it out. Okay, so this is my experience I had on this particular platform. I tried to document everything to show you guys how I later end up. Okay, if you have withdrawn on this app, comment on the comment section below. Okay, if later you give like you upgrade with 2,000 and they approve your withdrawal, comment to the comment section below. I can go back and put 2,000 naira to know if I can withdraw this 4,000. Okay, if any of you have withdrawn with this kind of method, you can actually tell me so that I can actually go ahead and upgrade with this 2,000 naira. But at least right now, I'm just so curious about the whole thing and everything. So just if you have done this app before, share your experience on the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and see you guys on